Hello, my name is Alfred, co-founder of Feed the Hungry Entertainment, and today we're going to talk a little bit about physics, but more so, how it's involved in the game of pool. Yes, pool. We're going to talk about a few things that deal with physics and the game of pool, like friction, law of inertia, force, acceleration, and collisions. First, let's talk about friction. Now, friction plays a major role in the game of pool. Friction is the resisting force between two objects. Now, most people don't realize how important friction is in the game of pool. Without it, you couldn't play pool at all. After hitting the ball, they wouldn't stop unless they collided with another ball with the same force and opposite to it. And in all actuality, without it, you wouldn't even be able to stand up properly to make your shot. Now, with that being said, let's jump into force. Force, as we all know, is very significant in pool. Knowing how hard or soft to hit the cue ball is very vital, which is also tied into what is known as the law of inertia. The law of inertia states that every object continues in a state of rest or of uniform speed in a straight line unless acted upon by a non-zero force. How that applies to the game of pool is basically if the ball is at rest, it will not move unless hit by the cue ball, in which he or she has to know how much force to apply to the cue ball.
I'm going to come back here.
Oh, are you going to do?
Yeah, I'm just coming right back here.
And this is also tied into what is known as acceleration. Acceleration is determined on how much force is applied to the cue. So knowing this and mastering how to get certain acceleration in different situations in the game of pool will definitely help you game. And last but most definitely not least, let's talk about collisions. This definitely plays a big role in pool. Now there are two types of collisions, elastic and inelastic collisions. In the game of pool, both types of collisions occur. In some situations, you might hit the cue ball, and depending on how much force is exerted on the cue ball, it might hit and go in the opposite direction of the other ball. Or on the other hand, it could end up traveling in the same direction as the other ball after the collision. So once again, this is Alfred, co-founder of Feed the Hungry Entertainment. I'm signing out. Good luck.